friends. This is about an earthquake prediction. This March 2011 on 27th, 28th, and 29th, there is going to be a massive earthquake. It's going to trigger. Um, Specifically on the south zone. You may not know which place it is. Maybe like South Africa, or maybe south zone of New York City, or maybe Chennai, which is also a part of South in India. Uh, so so please don't go to the um, sea region, and uh, make sure that your friends and families are aware of this. This is not kind of information to panic people. This is information that um, we may get an earthquake and we may not. So it is like we have to be cautious, so people don't get panic. At the same time, whoever uh, know this message, just try to be calm. And it is kind of a calculation that um, somewhere it is going to hit. So which place we may not know. So please don't go to the sea region. Avoid the region. And if it doesn't happen on the specific date like 27th of March and 28th of March, or maybe 29th of March, it may occur on the April 1st of 2011. So it is just an information, so keep it in mind and don't get panic, and be aware of it. So only the time will tell whether it is coming or not, but hopefully praying it may not occur. um, so God have to save us, and God bless all. Thank you.